Hey there, did you want some extra practice? Let's zip through these e-cart questions. They are old from days gone by. All right, if it's summer, then my friends are at the pool. Give the conditional statement, which is my contrapositive. So my contrapositive is going to be not Q and not P. So my friends and I are not at the pool if it is not summer. So not at pool, not summer. Does that sound right to you? All right, let's check out 2. If 2 angles are supplementary, then the sum is equal to 80 degrees. What is the inverse? So it's going to be not P and not Q. So if the 2 angles are not supplementary, then their sum does not equal 180 degrees. I like that one. If and only if it's biconditional. Checking out each of these. Equal 180. Yep, looks good. All right, let's check out 3. What is the converse? As if Joe goes fishing, then he needs bait. If Joe needs bait, because our converse is going to be if Q, then P. If Joe needs bait, then Joe goes fishing. Is it me or are these all A? Joe needs bait. Joe goes fishing. All right. Check out the next one. Let P equal that and Q equals that, which is a representation of if the square root of 11 equals Z, then Z is not a rational number. So if P, then it's looking at like not Q. P and not Q. If the conditional statement, you have laptop, then you have computers represented by P and Q, what is the symbolic? You do not have a computer. So have a computer, if you have a laptop, is going to be my P. And then you have a computer is my Q. So if I start with, if I have a computer, then I do not have a laptop with a Q and not P. Back to having A as an answer. All right, P is I like pizza. Q is I like hamburgers. Translate, I like pizza and I like hamburgers. So it's not a if-then statement. It's not an or statement. And again, so we're sticking with that. All right, let's keep going. So here's some Venn diagram practice. Car features, automatic, rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder. All cars have, nope, that's not true because there are some that don't have the and, so that's crossed out. No cars have, nope, that's not true because this area in between has them both. Our cars have real right, nope. So some cars have automatic transmissions and 4 cylinders. That's going to be it. All right, let's talk about our pets again. Cats and dogs and fish. Which is a valid conclusion. No cat owners own dogs. These people do. No dog owners own fish. That so far is true. No fish owners own cats. These people do. No pet owners know more than one pet. Everybody inside of these bubbles does. So we're sticking with G. Which Venn diagram represents the following of the statements? Some triangles are acute. Some triangles are obtuse. No triangle is both acute and obtuse. Some acute triangles are equilateral. I gotta tell you something, I'm liking A. Because you can't have acute and obtuse. So anything that has overlapping has to be crossed out. And equilateral triangles are a special kind of acute. That's why it goes in there. All right, last page. If John studies, okay, which argument is incorrect? If John studies, he'll pass the test. If he passes the test, he'll be grounded. If he's grounded, he will study. This one I don't think I like, but we'll keep reading and come back. If it rains, we'll stay inside. We stay inside, we play games. If it rains, we play games. This is a good conclusion. because we have my P, we have my Q, we have my Q, we have my R. So therefore I have P to R. This one's a good one, which means can't be the answer. All right, if we win the game, we win the championship. If we win the championship, we get a trophy. No trophy, guess what? They did not win the game. This is a good conclusion. So that's not going to happen. Susan eats a broccoli. She gets ice cream. She gets ice cream. She stays up late. If she eats broccoli, she gets to stay up late. This is a beautiful example. So guess what? If John studies, here's his P, then he's going to pass the test. There's his Q. If he passes the test, then he will not be grounded. So if he is grounded, that doesn't necessarily take us back to our studying. So we're going to say the answer here is F. Which statement is always true? The inverse of a true conditional? Not always. The inverse of a false conditional? Not always. The contrapositive of a true conditional. Yeah, a true conditional is if P then Q. So not Q and not P. That's going to be a good deal. All right, last one. Ready? In the Venn diagram below, V represents the set of all vehicles, M represents motorized, and A represents automobiles, based on the diagram, which is valid. All automobiles are motorized. That is a true statement. All motorized vehicles are automobiles. Nope. Because we can have motorcycles and things that are not cars. Some automobiles are not motorized. That's not true, because all of them are. No automobiles are motorized. They all are. So this is a good one. The rest of them are lousy. All right, I hope you're feeling good about the test. Thanks for doing all your hard work.